So today I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious salad. Start by washing your lettuce. If you hit the bottom part on the counter, the core will pop out pretty easily. Make sure you wash your lettuce really good. You can use any kind of lettuce you want. Today I'm using a head of lettuce and also these stalks. Chop up your lettuce. And put it in a bowl. Then you're going to get your onion and chop off the little hat. And peel off the outside layer. Then cut it in half. And cut as thin slices as possible. You'll only need about half of an onion. Then we're going to cut up our bacon pieces. It's a lot easier if you have really sharp scissors. You need about a pack of bacon, but if you have more you could throw it in, or if you have less it'll be fine too. Then we're going to let that cook and get crispy, stirring it every few minutes. Once it's nice and crispy, we're going to add in some of this red wine vinegar to about the top of the label. Then add in about 1/4 to 1/3 of a cup of sugar, depending on how sweet you want it. Don't forget to taste it to make sure it's not too sweet or not too sour. Once you have it the way you like it, drop in your onions. Stir it around. And then pour it onto your lettuce. Mix it up and you're done. Oh, I almost forgot, a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my new videos.